Hello everyone. Welcome back to our kitchen where today we're making a delicious treat that everyone can enjoy, diabetic-friendly banana nut bread. Whether you're managing diabetes, or just looking for a healthier baking option, this recipe is packed with flavor without spiking your sugar levels. Let's get started by looking at what you'll need for this recipe. Remember, all ingredients are chosen to keep this bread lower in sugar and healthier. For this banana nut bread, you'll need 1 3/4 cups of whole wheat flour, 210 grams, 1½ teaspoons baking powder, ½ teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, ½ cup unsweetened apple sauce, 122 grams, 1/4 cup olive oil, 60 milliliters, 2 large eggs, ½ cup erythritol, 96 grams, a sugar substitute safe for most diabetics, 3 ripe bananas, mashed, about 300 grams, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, ½ cup chopped walnuts, 58 grams. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. Then, in a large bowl, combine the whole wheat flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt, and cinnamon. Give these dry ingredients a good whisk to mix them thoroughly. In a separate bowl, mix the unsweetened apple sauce, olive oil, and erythritol. Once blended, add in the eggs, mashed bananas, and vanilla extract. Mix until everything is well combined. Now, it's time to incorporate the dry ingredients into the wet mixture. Stir gently until just combined, and then fold in the chopped walnuts. Pour the batter into a greased 9 by 5 inch loaf pan. Smooth the top with a spatula, and if you like, sprinkle a few extra chopped walnuts on top for that extra crunch. Bake in the preheated oven for about 50 to 60 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Baking times can vary, so it's good to check around the 50-minute mark. Once your bread is done, let it cool in the pan for 10 minutes before transferring it to a wire rack to cool completely. This patience is key, it makes slicing much easier. And there you have it. Delicious, diabetic-friendly banana nut bread that's perfect for a cozy snack or a healthy breakfast option. This bread is not only tasty but also packed with good-for-you ingredients. Give it a try, and let us know what you think. Thanks for baking with us today. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss any of our healthy, tasty recipes. Until next time, happy baking!